We are still in the selections from the Mathnawi, which I believe is a collection of Rumi's poetry. This is the pocket Rumi. This poem is called The Interest Without the Capital. You know, that's a very modern title for an 800-year-old poem. The lover's food is the love of the bread. No bread need be at hand. No one who is sincere in their love is a slave to existence. Lovers have nothing to do with existence. Lovers have the interest without the capital. Without wings they fly around the world. Without hands they carry the polo ball off the field. That dervish who caught the scent of reality used to weave baskets even though their hand had been cut off. Lovers have pitched their tents in non-existence. They are one. They are of one quality and one essence, as non-existence is. This poem is called Gainful Employment. When it comes to earning food, why has the fear of eternal disappointment not waylaid you? You'll say, though I face the fear of disappointment, fear increases while I'm idle. My hope increases when I work. When I'm idle, I risk more. Why does the fear of loss restrain you when it comes to faith? Haven't you seen how gainfully employed the prophets and saints are? Haven't you seen what mines of treasure have opened to them from frequenting the shop of the Spirit? Thank you, Taco. And lastly, this poem is called The Reins of Free Will. The power of conscious choice is your profit-earning capital. Pay attention. Watch over that moment of power. The human being rides on the steed of the reins of free will. Or sorry, I skipped a line. The human being rides on the steed of, I guess the saying, we have honored the children of Adam. The reins of free will are in the hand of intelligence. That saying, we have honored the children of Adam, that's actually from the Quran, from Al-Isra, the Night Journey, specifically 1770. The human being rides on the steed of the sentiment, the idea, we have honored the children of Adam. The reins of free will are in the hand of intelligence. I like that. That we ride on the steed of honoring our ancestors. Or if you wanted to metaphysically interpret that, of our inner child. Thank you very much for listening with me as we read through another episode of Ruminations. If you wanted to add any insights or share something that resonated with you while we read, please feel free to do so.